Experience the power of simplicity with our cookbook template for Adobe InDesign. Designed to be effortlessly intuitive, you can now craft culinary masterpieces with ease, all at your fingertips. Copy and paste elements seamlessly, unlocking the potential for unlimited designs. Your creativity knows no bounds. Ready to simplify your design journey? Download now and cook up a world of possibilities. Let's create your cookbook easily and quickly. And you can create the sections and pages that you wish. For example, we must open the InDesign files, master_A4 and cookbook_A4. Then we activate the option Paste Remembers Layers so that the elements are copied to the same layer and the order is maintained. To begin, we must remember that we are going to copy elements from the file cookbook_A4 and we will paste them into the file master_A4. We choose a cover, copy all the elements of the page and paste it in the master_A4 file and carry out the same action with the pages that we want to duplicate. Finally, we will only have to act on the table of contents to export the file and publish our cookbook. Now we have to change the text and insert our images.